Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about first derivative. So now I will show you how to answer. We apply the formula in here. That is about quotient rule. So we have y equals to a over b. So if I do first derivative, you got about, we do first derivative of a multiplied by b minus first derivative of b multiplied by a over b squared. Now this is about a, this is about b. So if we apply the formula in here, you will have, we need to do first derivative of ln2x multiplied by ln4x minus, we do first derivative of ln4x multiplied by ln2x over ln4x squared. Now we apply the second formula. If we do first derivative of this one, we will have about as gone here. Later that we continue do first derivative of as, and then first derivative of s, you got about capital A. And now we simplify, you got about 1 over s. So in this situation, this one you got about 1 over s. This one you got about 1 over s. And now we have 1 over s, 1 over s. We can do about factorization. And you got about ln4s minus ln2s. Now we apply the last formula in here. For the last formula, you got about ln a minus ln b equals to ln of 8 over b. So this one you got about ln4s over 2s. So s divided by s, you got about number 1. 4 divided by 2, you got about number 2. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.